In previous lessons, we have looked over verbs with multiple irregularities, but now I want to re-review these types of verbs in a lesson of their own. Starting off with the present tense. Some verbs do have a stem change and a separate irregular yo form. So the verbs teñir and reñir, they are stem change verbs, but they do not include their stem change in their separate irregular yo form. Other verbs, however, do include their stem change in their separate irregular yo forms. Oír follows the same pattern as oír verbs, but it has its own irregular yo form. Oigo, oíes, oíe, oímos, oís, oíen. In the present subjunctive, there are also verbs with both a stem change and spell change. These verbs in the present subjunctive have an E to IE stem change and spell change. Empezar, tropezar, comenzar, negar, fregar. So for the verb empezar, the conjugations are empiece, empieces, empiece, empecemos, empecéis, empiecen. These verbs in the present subjunctive have an E to I stem change and a spell change. Decir, seguir, elegir, corregir. So the verbs traer and caer, they are not E to I stem change verbs, but they do end in igo in the first person singular present tense form. So their present subjunctive stems end in ig, just like the stems of seguir and decir. These verbs in the present subjunctive have an O to UE stem change and spell change. Almorzar, torcer, retorcer, coser, rogar, colgar. So for the verb torcer, the conjugations are tuerza, tuerzas, tuerza, torzamos, torzáis, tuerzan. Jugar has a U to UE stem change and a spell change. So its conjugations are juegue, juegues, juegue, juguemos, juguéis, jueguen. Next are verbs with multiple irregularities in the preterite. For verbs with preterite J stems, their first person singular form ends in e, the third person singular form ends in o, and the third person plural form ends in eron. So for traducir, we have traduje, tradujiste, tradujo, tradujimos, tradujisteis, tradujeron. And for decir, we have dije, dijiste, dijo, dijimos, dijisteis, dijeron. And notice that decir also has an E to I stem change in all preterite forms. These verbs take on a J in their preterite stems and follow the same pattern of conjugations. For verbs with preterite UV stems, tener, estar, and andar, their first person singular form ends in e, and the third person singular form ends in o. Tuve, tuviste, tuvo, tuvimos, tuvisteis, tuvieron. Estuve, estuviste, estuvo, estuvimos, estuvisteis, estuvieron. Anduve, anduviste, anduvo, anduvimos, anduvisteis, anduvieron. For verbs with preterite U stems, haber, poder, poner, caber, and saber, their first person singular form ends in e, and their third person singular form ends in o. Hube, hubiste, hubo, hubimos, hubisteis, hubieron. Pude, pudiste, pudo, pudimos, pudisteis, pudieron. Poner, caber, and saber have their own spell changes in the preterite. Puse, pusiste, puso, pusimos, pusisteis, pusieron. Cupe, cupiste, cupo, cupimos, cupisteis, cupieron. Supe, supiste, supo, supimos, supisteis, supieron. For verbs with preterite I stems, reñir, querer, hacer, and satisfacer, their first-person singular form also ends in e, and their third-person singular form also ends in o. Vine, viniste, vino, vinimos, vinisteis, vinieron. Querer, hacer, and satisfacer also undergo their own spell changes in the preterite. Quise, quisiste, quiso, quisimos, quisisteis, quisieron. Hice, hiciste, hizo, hicimos, hicisteis, hicieron. Satisfice, satisficiste, satisfizo, satisficimos, satisficisteis, satisficieron. And to review, these are the preterite stems for UV, U, and I stem change verbs. And when memorizing these stems, remember that hacer and satisfacer change the C to a Z in their third-person singular form. And remember that all of these verbs end in e and o for the first and third-person singular forms. In both the present tense and present subjunctive, oler will add an H prior to the O to UE stem change, but this does not apply to nosotros or vosotros. Huelo, hueles, huele. Olemos, oléis, huelen. Huela, huelas, huela. Olamos, oláis, huelan. Reñir and teñir are E to I stem change verbs, and they also have a spell change due to being erguir verbs. These are the third-person preterite conjugations for reñir and teñir. They're imperfect and future subjunctive stems, and they're present participles. Erguir is a particularly irregular verb. In the present tense, it may add a Y before the E, or change the E to an I. But nosotros and vosotros are conjugated regularly. The U is also removed from the yo form, like with distinguir and extinguir. Yergo, irgo. Yergues, irgues. Yergue, irgue. Erguimos, erguís. Yergen, irgen. In the present subjunctive, it may again either add a Y before the E or change the E to an I. In nosotros and vosotros, however, it must change the E to an I, and the U is removed from all forms. Yerga, irga. Yergas, irgas. Yerga, irga. Irgamos, irgais. Yergan, irgan. In the preterite, only the third-person singular and plural forms are irregular, with an E to I stem change. Ergi, ergiste, irgio. Ergimos, ergis, irgieron. In the imperfect and future subjunctive, the E to I stem change is included because it is based on the third-person plural preterite form. And that sums up the different types of verbs you will come across that have multiple irregularities. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you can share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.